Krabby Patty. Right here. Mmm! It's fishy. The chicken? I would rate it like a 8, 7.
We are on our way to Yama Sushi. We're going there again because it was so good the first time. Melon.
I feel like this one might be good.
It tastes too candy for me. It's too I don't think I like it. It kind of tastes like medicine. Got the spam musubi. These are really good. We got 2 of them. One for me, one for Sebi. We got California roll with salmon and avocado.
These are so good.
Yeah, these were really good last time. Okay, bye.
Peace.
It's date night today and Sebi and I are going to Izakaya Osen because it's the last day for Dine LA. I got my nails done. Sheer jelly color. I really like it. Kind of matches my shirt and my bag. Yama Sushi again, and we got so much food. Chicken karaage, spam musubi, California roll, and tuna roll. Of this yuba chobab, chutoro slice, more California roll, spicy mayo for my California roll, vanilla pudding, this ume drink. So we got some chips, 2 Hypico soda. Whoa, got so much food. Chutoro. Got all these flowers from work because it's Valentine's Day. I am gonna put together a bouquet for my mom. I feel like this is too short, but we'll see. I've never done this before. I just kind of put everything all together. And Sebi said it looks like fried rice. Just got a haircut. All ready for Valentine's Day dinner.
Is that me right here? No, what is this? You have glasses?
The grandma with the glasses?
You got me some shades?
It's the freaking pound cake.
Oh my god. You
Prettiest flowers.
Oh my god. What in the world?
2 people. with the pig. Yeah, the pig's cute too.
Wait, I want this one too. I want everything. I want orange. That's all you want?
That's all I want.
Beetroot. Beetroot?
Oh, I like beetroot too.
Pig or rice sack?
Rice
Dude, we always something different.
Okay,
I want
but I also want rice.
I they're all pretty cute. I want peach or rabbit.
The peach or the wheelbarrow duck?
I'm scared, guys. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, that's a pig!
Oh my god.
Wicking?
I already have this. Wait, really?
Yeah. I think you have orange.
Wait, we could trade. Scarecrow?
Wait a minute.
We could trade. Wait,
You're
too nice.
Orange!
Oh, you got orange.
Oh my god, can we trade?
What is it? What's that?
That's cute. That's a Carolyn one.
Yay!
Yay! We all got something different because we're in the same bar.
Wait, I want to take a photo.
That's probably bomb after you work out.
It's so good. It's the best espresso tonic. Taste test.
Mmm. 3.4. 3.3.
We are gonna go to Ralph's because I was inspired to make my own espresso tonic. Okay, my first attempt of trying to make the orange espresso tonic. Need an orange and peel some of the skin. My orange syrup. We let the syrup cool. So now we can make our espresso tonic. I have a cup of ice. We're gonna fill it with tonic water and add some of the orange syrup we made. Double shot of espresso. Mmm.
Yeah, it's the same, but it's different. I don't know what the difference is, but it's different.
Guess where we're going?
Yama.
We're going to Yama to make hand rolls tonight for dinner. This is our 5th time, I think, going to Yama this month. So we're doing hand roll night. We have some salmon, spicy tuna, holly roll, and some other stuff to put on the hand roll.
Perfect. Oh no! I take that back.
We got some rainbow mochi. Mmm, not too sweet. I'm hoping for the orange or beetroot or secret, but I really want the orange, okay? I'm scared. Oh, it's not orange!
How do you know?
Because orange has a box. What are you?
I'll tell me it's the same one. It is orange.
It's not orange. Oh, it's a potato.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let me see.
Potato's kind of... No, it's not potato. It's rice sack. We are on our way to Pilates. It's going to be Sebi's first time. Thinks it's going to be really easy, but if anyone has done Pilates before, will agree. You know how intense it can get.
That was easy, yeah. That's pretty easy. I'll be honest, that's pretty tough. Oh shit. When you actually did recover.